Welcome to 801 Northeast 15th Street in Fort Lauderdale. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of this beautiful South Florida home so you can get a real feel for the layout, natural light, and lifestyle this neighborhood offers. As you watch, pay attention to the openness of the living spaces, the flow of the home, and how the design supports the indoor-outdoor living Fort Lauderdale is known for. This is the kind of property that attracts buyers relocating for sunshine, work, or a lifestyle upgrade. This tour is part of our goal to give buyers and sellers a clear and honest look at the Fort Lauderdale market so you can make smart decisions with confidence. This is one of the largest lots in the middle of Fort Lauderdale. Almost 15,000 square feet, very close to the Avenue in Wilton Manors, as well as downtown, and only minutes to the ocean. The flow is fantastic. The rooms are widely spread apart, so there is privacy, and this is the primary bedroom. As you can see, it has its own AC control, and the bathroom has dual vanities, glass shower enclosure, and everything that you would need for privacy. It's on the opposite side, so we do have a split bedroom plan in this particular home. Now, if you are thinking about moving to Fort Lauderdale, or if you're thinking about selling your home or even comparing neighborhoods, just text us anytime at 954-807-1489 and we will help you run the numbers, understand your equity, and make the best move for you and your family. This home was fully upgraded from top to bottom, including the pipes beneath the flooring, which is a huge bonus for homes in our area. The yard is magnificent. It's huge. It just goes on and on. Currently, it is very well laid out with a front yard, a side yard, and a humongous backyard that has some sitting areas, jacuzzis. It has room for storage, extra parking. It does have access from both the street and the avenue. The fully mature trees provide a lot of shade, and as you can see, there's plenty of room if you have pets. This home has it all. So remember, if you want to run the numbers, text us anytime.